Welcome to the Connect platform. This is a free digital tool developed under the Connect project funded by the European Union, where teachers and science professionals can engage with each other and participate in exciting science action projects. The goal is to make STEM education more accessible and appealing to students. In the platform, you can benefit from ever-growing resources and a community of users ready to interact and exchange experiences, tips, and more. This video tutorial will give you a few hints on how to navigate and make the most of the Connect platform. Ready? Let's go! After you access the platform through the browser, start by registering or signing up if you have already registered. Upon registration, complete the fields with your personal information and submit. You will receive a confirmation link in your inbox. Make sure you access it and confirm your registration. Once you log in, you get access to the platform's dashboard with the latest resources and community highlights. But before you explore those, we advise you to select your language of choice. You can also click on your name on the right side of the menu, select the profile option, and complete your public personal information. Add a picture and other details. Then you can start browsing as you wish. You can click the ellipsis on the right side of the menu and see more options available, including your news feed with the latest updates on your favorite resources. In the Groups section on the main menu, you can browse all the created public and private groups, join or request to join, engage in discussions, invite other members to join groups, access documents, and more. Back on the ellipsis menu, select Members and get access to the platform members list with the option of filtering by role, organization, country, and other. Then you can select members and access their profiles, follow, or submit a connection request. You can also check the Documents section, where you can browse and download all the files shared on the platform. And if you're feeling chatty, the forum is the place for you. Within the forum, you can browse all topics and choose from a variety of themes available for discussion. It is also the place to get social, engage and exchange ideas with other members, follow discussions, or search for topics. Want to see all the resources available on the platform? You can do so through the All Resources section. And if you're interested in learning more about the platform's stats, in the Platform Analytics section, you can access the user registration date timeline, the top 5 posters, top roles of the users, number of published posts, among other info. As you can see, there is a lot to explore on the Connect platform. Join the hundreds of users already registered and benefit from all the resources and learning opportunities we have for you.